Hey, how's it going, bros? Oh, yes, I am wearing a tank top. Have you seen these guns? So today we're gonna Photoshop YouTubers into their spirit animals. No one asked me to do this. But we're gonna do it anyway. She has hamsters, right? Or guinea pigs? They're guinea pigs now. Alright, you can barely see the difference already. That's a good sign. Okay, so let's begin the morphing. Man, this is some sick fucking spirit animalistics going on. Alright, so obviously her eyes needs to be transplanted. See, I always wish I just became a plastic surgeon, because I really think I have a knack for these things. Alright? So you just... oh my god. You just take the eyes and you fucking place them on top. It's not that hard. That looks great! So good! My god. Zoella, if you ever need like a plastic surgeon, let me know. Let's implant the mouth. It's almost like you can't see the difference. Oh my god. PewDiePie! American furry happened since 1984. Jesus Christ. You're so goddamn welcome. No one really appreciates. It's like, PewDiePie. He just screams. No, I make art, alright? I make art. Did you see this? How is this not art to you? Look at this filter that I'm adding. Bam. Bam, a filter. I just added that shit filter, man. Before, after. Before, after. Zoella is a hamster. Clap your hands, everyone. Dan is obviously a cat. No question about it. Oh my god. It's like I almost can't tell the difference. The resemblance. Dan should just quit YouTube and become a cat. Like, seriously. Wow. Amazing. It would be cheating if we don't bring out Dan's beautiful eyes. This is why you should never post high-resolution pictures of yourself online. Just a bad idea. Wait, I mean a good idea, obviously, but a bad idea at the same time. He has that same grumpiness in his eyes. Maybe they are the same person. Okay, this is kind of scaring me. What the fuck? Dan, what did you... Dan? Oh god, Dan, what the f... Dan? Dan! That's pretty eyes. Gotta say, they're very nice. Very nice eyes. And there we go! That looks so real. Yes! Oh god, Dan, no, Dan, please! I'm sorry, Dan! This looks very strange. Now, it's not symmetric, which is bothering me. You know, even people like Dan has not 100% symmetry. We'll fix it, don't worry. This is why I'm here. Yep, that looks legit. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, Dan. Dan is not a kitten. Finito. Let's look at before. Yes. Oh god, I'm whatever. It's kind of before. There you go. Beautiful. Dan is not a kitten. Okay, Ray William J. R. W. What spirit animal is him? Is him? That's a hedgehog. Oh my god. Hedgehogs are the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. It's like there's no difference. Oh my god! The eyes! They're so hollow. There we go. Alright. What animal? Rhinos. Of course. How could we have been so blind? How could we have been so blind? I can't believe I missed this resemblance. It's been in front of our eyes, bros. It's been in front of our eyes all along. God damn it, I wish I was a rhino too. They just fucking rhino shit all day. Do I rhino shit all day? No, I don't. I don't. Stegosaurus. Yeah, they're my favorite. They're kissing. This is the true fan fiction that we were all waiting for. You can stop watching YouTube now. There won't be any better music or videos than this. You've seen it all now. I've seen it all. I've seen some shit. Can you tell the quality's dropping? Because I'm getting tired. Harry, my child. What animal are you? What speaks to you? The potato. The potato is strong with you, Harry. Never let go. Never let go of the potato. Disgusting me. Disgusting. This is how the dinosaurs were extinct. This is how Smosh ceased to exist. That looks really fucking disturbing. What the fuck? That looks like his actual skin. I have to go. My people are calling me. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. And supporting this channel. I don't know why you would do that. That's ridiculous. But here's the BROFIST for you. As always, stay awesome, bros.
That looks great. Wow. Why did I spend so much time on this?